All right, take two. I recorded a whole video and it didn't stay there. I have no idea where it went. So crazy. All right. So here we go again. My name is Amber, and I am the creator designer at Mountain Knit Creations, and we are gonna check out our monthly box here from Potomac. It's a Golden Hour Shadows treasure box. In the golden hour, the sun's final warmth stretches across the landscape, casting a soft glowing light. As the shadows of night deepen, hues of copper, orange, and burgundy gradually give way to grays and blacks. This month's assortment draws inspiration from this magical transition. Soft golden pearls, fiery agate gemstones, and gleaming copper embody the sun's final flourish, while black chrome and the bronze gray of iris duo symbolizes the arrival of night. So there's some really pretty things in here, and my printer's making all kinds of noise, and I'm not sure why. So we have to start with the Athena cast wishbone. How fun are those? They only have a hole on the top, so they're more of a dangly piece. And then, oh, these pumpkins are so cute. Super cute. Look at that detail. How fun is that? Let's see if I can get it to focus. There we go. How beautiful is that? We have chalk glass petal beads in purple. Oops. See if I can get. There we go. It'll stay open. Then we have these coppery cube beads. How beautiful are those? Reds and blacks kind of got a textury feel to them. See that shimmer? And then here's some 9mm jet capri lentil beads. These have like an AB to them or something. Really fun. Look at that. So fun. And these little copper cages are another Athena cast. Beautiful piece. Look at this. Athena cast is their metal, Potomac Beads metal pieces. There we go. So pretty. Some cute hideaway scissors. Great for your purse. Some eyeglass holder things. You can make them possibly with the chain or a beaded one. These fire polish are just gorgeous. They definitely make me think fall. Look at those colors. So pretty. And this orange. Look at that. Wowzers. I love orange. And these pearls. Gold green. They're tiny pearls. 4mm. And then I really like these. The reddish hues in these. Look at that. I don't know if you can see the reddish hues and stripes. And it kind of like dimples down. These are check glass smooth roundels in 3x6mm. And of course, check flowers. These are just gorgeous. They have so many beautiful beads at Potomac. And I'm an affiliate, so please follow the link if you'd like to get your own treasure box. Get all this yummy goodness at a really great price. Some more black lentil beads, some smaller ones. Very pretty. Wait until you see these crystals. They're really unique and heavy. Look at that. Very cool. And gotta love you an iris duo. Gotta love me Irish duos. I love all the unique beads that Potomac comes out with. Oh, and we've got pale gold seed beads. All right, make sure you stay tuned and follow for a design on the fly with my November box. All right, thanks guys.